If you're looking for a vine that blooms all summer long and is extremely heat tolerant, then this one could be your best friend. This is Mandevilla, and it comes in quite a few different colors, but this red right here, it's only rivaled by maybe something like a hibiscus, but this bloom will actually grow on a vine that can grow very quickly and cover up trellises or works great in a patio pot. It also has large glossy leaves that are very attractive in and of itself. Now there are a wide range of colors you could find these in. I particularly love the pure white and the bright red, but there are different shades of pink and cream and even some yellows. Now there is somewhat of a drawback to this vine is that it is a tropical vine, so it's not going to survive winters if you live somewhere that actually has a winter. However, a lot of people actually like that about this plant because being that it's a tropical vine, it actually is a continuous bloomer, whereas some of the perennial vines that you may find only are going to bloom for a short period of time. And also that allows it to work very well in patio pots around a pool or a pergola, or just having that splash of color for annual flowers. And because they grow so quickly, you can buy them in the spring, enjoy them all spring, summer, and into fall until we start getting cold weather. Oh, and you'll also see visitors such as hummingbirds coming in to get the nectar out of these plants. So overall, the Mandevilla is a great one to add to your landscape.